If you're always on the lookout for a morning meal that's both tasty and quick to make, this video is for you. Hey Clarence Kitchen lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making crispy air fryer plantains and eggs, and I topped it with fresh fruits. First, you will need a couple of ripe plantains. Peel them and slice them into 1 or 2 inches thick. Don't worry if they are not of the same size. Sprinkle them with salt and place the plantain slices in the air fryer basket, leaving some space between each slice to allow for even cooking. Brush with margarine and sprinkle chili pepper. I cooked the plantains at 175 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 to 10 minutes or until they are golden brown. While the plantains are cooking, let's get the eggs going. Crack them into a bowl, add a pinch of salt, whisk them together, then chop the fresh pepper. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and pour the egg. Go in with the fresh pepper. Cook them until they are just set and take them off the heat. We are keeping it simple. You can scramble the eggs, make an omelette, or even just fry them to sunny side up, whatever you prefer. I like to scramble mine with a bit of salt and pepper. If today is your first time here, you're highly welcome to Clarence Kitchen. Here we'll give out easy step-by-step, superb food recipe for a healthy living. Please join the family by clicking on subscription button and on your notification bell to see our new videos anytime it drops. Thank you so much as you do so. The eggs are cooked and the plantains are ready. So there you have it, a delicious breakfast recipe that is easy to make and looks amazing. The best part is ready in 20 minutes, making it perfect for even the busiest morning. Thank you so much for watching this far. Please don't forget to like, comment, share to friends and family, and subscribe for more quick and healthy meal ideas. I've got plenty more recipes where this one came from. See you on my next video. Bye.